All right, welcome to another quick quiz video. This time we're going to talk about work word problems, yung may stops and starts. So, yung ibig sabihin merong huminto, may umalis, may nadagdag sa work, nagtulungan sila. And there's a special video lesson for this, so you can click right here dito sa na icon here to catch up and watch that muna. It'll be quite challenging to answer this without learning the lesson first. So, at any time, if you feel that it's too difficult, you can hit pause and then watch the lesson and then go back here na lang. Okay? So, I have three situations right here that I'm going to discuss or you're going to answer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 6 minutes for this quiz. Kaya siya 6 minutes kasi I know it's an advanced na topic, no? Medyo difficult siya ng onte. So may extra time kayo, I'm giving you an extra minute. It's usually 5 minutes lang. All right, so grab your pen and paper and get ready. We're going to start the quiz right now. Alright, let's see how you did. Okay? Isa-isahin lang natin. All right, let's start with scenario one. So, sabi Billy can wash a car in 6 hours. That is by himself. Elliot can wash a car in 4 hours. They started washing a car together. So, yung together dyan yung pinaka-importanting part. If they're washing the car together, dapat yung formula natin is yung original formula, yung may dalawang fraction. And then sabi, if Billy leaves after 2 hours, so ang nangyari, first together and then Billy leaves. Dalawa yung nangyari sa sitwasyon. After 2 hours and wash it together, how long would it take Elliot to finish the task alone? So, ang formula natin would look like this. Yan. Bakit? Ito yung when they are working together. And then, anong nangyari next? Umalis si Billy. So, mangyayari ngayon would be Elliot by himself or Elliot alone. So, dalawa yung sitwasyon natin. Una together and then alone si Elliot. So, ang formula natin, this will be 1/6. Mag-isa si Billy, 1/4. Mag-isa si Elliot. Tapos they washed the car together. Ang time was 2 hours. Kasi umalis lang si Billy nung nakadalawang oras na sila nagtatrabaho. So, this will be 2. And then this will be Elliot by himself. Dahil si Elliot can wash the car in 4 hours, this will be 1/4 times. And then X, kasi hindi natin alam kung gaano katagal niya matatapos yung isang kotse. Okay? Again, 1 ito kasi isa lang naman yung kotseng huhugasan nila. Kung dalawang kotse, this will be 2. And then this will be our formula. So, isosolve lang natin to. So, 1/6 tsaka 1/4. Ang ating LCD could be 12. So, 12 divided by 6 is 2 times 1, 2 plus, and then 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 1, that is 3. Okay, and then multiply by 2 plus, and then we have 1/4 x is equal to 1. This right here would be 5/12 times 2 plus, and then 1/4 x is equal to 1, or this will be 10/12. Okay, multiply ko lang ng diretso. Pwede mo ring ilabas muna yan or kung anong gusto yung gawin. Pero sa akin kasi wala naman tong LCD na. So, diniretso ko na siya. 10/12 and then plus 1/4 x is equal to 1. This, pwede pa natin i-smallest terms yan. Actually, that's just 5/6. Okay? So, in this case, pwede din natin kasi i-cancel ito. So, pwede siyang maging 1 kasi di-divide mo siya sa 2. Ito, pwede rin i-divide sa 2. So, that's going to be 1. Ito yung multiplying by cancellation. I explained this in the fraction series na rin. Okay? Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, ililink ko na lang din dito sa taas, dun sa I button natin. Multiplying by cancellation. Okay? Yun yung ginawa ko dyan. So, 5/6 and then plus 1/4 x is equal to 1. Now, iiwan natin yung x sa isang side. Ito, ililipat natin sa kabila. So, this will be 1/4 x is equal to 1 minus 5/6. That is 1/4 x is equal to, this is 1/6 kasi magiging 6/6 yan, minus 5/6. That is 1/6. Kung naguluhan sa ginawa ko dito, panoorin nyo na lang yung video ng subtracting fractions. And then we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, kabalik tala ng 1/4. That would be 4/1. Makakancel ito kasi magiging 1 siya, 4/4. So, x is equal to, and then we have 4 times 1, that is 4/1 times 6, 6. Or, lowest terms, that would be 2/3 hour. Okay? 2/3 of an hour. Okay? Kung 2/3 of an hour, pwede mo rin siyang isulat as 40 minutes. That would be your answer. Alright? So, I hope you got that right. Now, we're going to move on to the scenario number 2. Same naman yung information. 6 hours si Billy mag-isa, Elliot mag-isa, 4 hours. Kaya lang, iba yung nangyari. In this case, sabi, Billy started washing a car. So, una, we have Billy alone. Okay? And then, 3 hours later, ibig sabihin 3 oras na naghuhugas ng kotse si Billy, Elliot joined him. So, tumulong si Elliot, ibig sabihin, dalawa sila. First, we have Billy alone, and then both of them together. So, ang formula natin would be like this. This would be Billy alone, and this will be together na sila. So, yung Billy alone, that would be 6 hours kasi siya mag-isa, times kung ilang oras siya nagtrabaho by himself. Dahil nakatatlong oras na siya, that would be times 3. And then yung together natin, that would be 1/6 plus 1/4. This is them doing the work together. And then this will be your x. At dahil isa lang naman ang kotse nilang hinugasan, that would still be 1. And then we're just going to solve this. So this is basically 3/6 or 1/2 plus, and then you have this, LCD natin. Parang ginawa lang natin kanina. So that would be over 12 again. This will be 2/12 plus, and then we have 3/12. And then you have x is equal to 1. So this will be 1 half plus, and then this is 5 over 12, right? So 5x over 12 or 5 over 12x is equal to 1. Iwanan natin ulit yung isang side, sa isang side yung x. Ito ililipat natin sa kabila. So this will be 5 over 12x is equal to 1 minus 1 half or 1 half na lang. Okay? So ibababa ko lang dito, this will be 5 over x is equal to 1 half. 5 over 12x pala, I'm sorry. So, para mawala yung 5 over 12x at maiwan yung x sa isang side, we're going to multiply it by the reciprocal o kabaliktaran. So, that is times 12 over 5. Makakancel ito. This will be just x is equal to, and then you multiply it just magkasamang ganyan. That will be 12 over 10. Or, okay, 1 and 2 over 10. 1 and 2 over 10, or 1 and 1/5. Okay, so the answer is 1 and 1/5 of an hour or hours. 1 hour and a fifth of an hour. So kung gusto mo rin again, gusto mo i minutes form yan, that would be 1 hour and yung 1 over 5, i-multiply mo lang siya sa 60 minutes kasi that is 1 hour. So that will be 60 over 5. So we have 12. 1 hour and 12 minutes. Okay, so ganyan lang ginawa ko, 60 over 5. Or 60 divided by 5. So 12. The answer would be 1 hour and 12 minutes. So mag-isa si Billy, nakakalahati na siya. Together, it will only take them 1 hour and 12 minutes para matapos yung buong kotse. Okay, I hope you got that right. Now, moving along, scenario number 3. Sabi, Billy can wash a car in 6 hours. Pareho lang din. Okay, so 6 hours. And then, Elliot mag-isa 4 hours. I'm using the same numbers here just so you can see a comparison dun sa mga results. So sabi, Billy started washing a car. So mag-isa lang siya. This is Billy alone. And then 2 hours later, Billy left. So ibig sabihin, umalis na si Billy, Elliot took his place. So ang mangyayari would be Elliot alone. Tatanong kung ilang oras si Elliot mag-isa. So in here, okay, the formula becomes like this. This would be Billy alone. This will be Elliot alone. So this will be 1 over, and then 6 hours si Billy mag-isa. So 6 times kung ilang oras siya nagtrabaho mag-isa, that is 2 hours, times 2. And then you have here si Elliot, so 1/4 times, and then kung ilang oras siya magtatrabaho mag-isa, hindi natin alam, that becomes x. And isang kotse pa rin, so 1. So in here you have 2 over 6 or 1/3 plus 1/4 x is equal to 1. I-move natin to sa kabilang side. So this will be 1/4 x is equal to 1 minus 1/3 or 1/4 x is equal to 2 over 3. Okay, ginawa ko lang siyang 3 over 3 minus 1 over 3 kasi 3 over 3 is 1. And then, multiply natin by the reciprocal. Kabaliktaran is 4 over 1. Makakancel natin ito. X is equal to 4 times 2, which is 8, over 1 times 3, that is 3. The answer would be 2 hours and 2/3 of an hour. So, 2 and 2/3 hours ang magiging sagot. Or, kung gagawin natin siyang hours and minutes, that would be 2 hours and 2 over 3 times 60, that is 60 times 2, 120 divided by 3, that is 40. So, 2 hours and 40 minutes ang magiging sagot. Okay? So, again, mag-isa si Billy, 2 hours, and then aalis siya, maiiwan si Elliot mag-isa. Siya naman ang sasali, siya naman ang gagawa by himself. So, that is 1/4 times x. At sinolve natin for x. So, ibig sabihin, mag-isa si Elliot after umalis ni Billy. It will take him 2 hours and 40 minutes to finish washing the car. Okay? So again, I hope you got this right. If you didn't, that's the beauty of this being on YouTube. You can practice again. Okay? So again, if naguluhan pa ulit, gusto nyo balikan nyo yung unang lesson, you can go ahead and click dito sa taas. Alright? Alright, so I hope you learned something new today. If you did, don't forget to hit thumbs up. If you find yung mga videos that I make helpful, don't forget to share this with your friends, lalo na kung mag-exam din sila. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't yet, para hindi nyo ma-miss yung mga susunod na video lessons. I'm trying to make as much of these as possible before the August 12 exam and before yung UPCAT and other college entrance test exams din. This question can be expected sa lahat ng mga yon, including a bunch of other exams like PhilSat, AFSAT, LET, or BLEPT, yung para sa licensure ng teachers and a bunch more. So, I hope makatulong to sa inyo. Thank you guys for watching. Aja kayo niya, never stop learning, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.